Alright, so you're searching over the internet, you're searching over YouTube, Google for the best tips about your practical test that's coming up either tomorrow or the next few days. Every single thing that you've probably heard up till now, you will literally not even do or even think of doing on the actual day of your test. You will literally teach yourself the best way because no one else is going to do it for you other than you. But I can say the one thing that you need to have before going into a driving test is got to have a positive mindset. So don't do this after you've done a parallel parking. Oh my god, I'm gonna fail. You want to do the test or you want to just forfeit. That is literally what your instructor will say. Positive mindset. Next thing, you probably heard this countless times, and that is to just try your best to relax. When you're leaving the test at night, you may do a couple of things that you may think that have caused you to fail. As long as no one around you has been in danger or has been vulnerable, you'll be fine. Also, on the day of your driving test, if this is your second or third try, don't make any sob stories to the examiner. He doesn't give a shit. Oh my god, the first test I failed because I nearly pooed myself. Oh my god. Well, make sure you don't shit yourself when I'm in the car. Oh my god, you're finally driving. Oh, that's amazing. How'd you do on your test? Oh, it was amazing. Had a bit of curry the night before, so yeah, halfway through the test, I needed to let loose. Ah, right, lovely. Also, the lesson before your test, don't worry if your mouth goes all dry, you're nervous. It's a natural feeling. It's just like going for your last maths test. You've literally done a few subtraction questions to revise, and then you get to the paper in the exam hall and you haven't got a bloody clue. But with driving, you do know, you're just overthinking everything. Just think of the test as a normal lesson, and possibly the most important thing, have fun. Enjoy the drive. I'll be 100% real right now, I genuinely did not enjoy my last test because I thought from the second when I got out that I messed up one of the gears and I failed straight away. When you think you failed, you're just oh, let's just get on. When you get back, you're like, right, put me out of my misery, and then he says you've passed. And you've got that expression like if you've seen a ghost. But I can tell you on the third test, the third one that I had when on the last bit, I drove all the way up the right-hand lane. 10 minutes into that test, I was genuinely enjoying myself. I was having fun. I may or may not have been flying up a road and then changing gear and then literally thinking that I was Dominic Toretto. I just was thinking that. Yeah, Dominic Toretto never drove in the right-hand lane. Instead, he just drifted everywhere. Don't do drift on your test. You can have your fun after. Have a good relationship with the examiner. Don't obviously think he's your best mate, because he's not. He isn't bothered about what you've had for breakfast. He doesn't care if you've had lip fillers in and then your lips are looking like a baboon's arse, because he'll literally already be able to tell. Just get in that car, stay calm, concentrate 100% from the moment you get out of that test center to the moment you get back in, and you'll be fine. And if you failed, then just whatever. It's not the end of the world. Just take it in the next few weeks. If you've passed, then gone home, fiddle with yourself, have a pint, just blimmin' gone crazy. And I think that is all the tips I can think of. Hopefully you lot have enjoyed it. If you're taking your test in the next few days, I wish you the very best of luck. If you've taken your test or if you're taking your test soon, go in the comments. Let's have a chat. If you've passed, let me know. If you've failed, let me know. Help each other out. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will catch you lot on my next video. Peace.